Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Rome Sorio. Let's look at what is new about LeOS initial build running on Xiaomi Poco F1. The build is claiming as to be a privacy oriented and degoogled edition. So, before getting started, if you are new to my channel, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin with, let's quickly go and check about font session. The ROM is based upon Android 11 and uses latest security patch from 5th April 2021. The kernel they are using is Perf G95. When it comes to security, the ROM does support fingerprint and it does work very responsive. There is no presence of face unlock or IR face unlock in this build. I did flashed Flame GAmps, so I am getting very basic of Google services. I did tried variety of Nix GAmps variant, but each time ROM was getting crashed, which is very obvious when they claim as degoogled. When comes to battery, it does has the pixel thermal switching, which include gaming and performance thermals. I didn't quite understand the presence of this feature here where you cannot game. When it comes to apps and notifications, you will be able to handle all notification and permissions for each application from this session, which is the same as other Android 11 ROMs. Under System Advanced, you can choose system profiles, status bar settings, also system navigation settings. I didn't feel any issues with these options here. In drop down menu, screen recorder is included. It is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. And I haven't noticed any issue after enabling screen recorder. The build comes with DuckDuckGo as default browser. The reason behind this is behavior of ROM to be degoogled and being privacy oriented. DuckDuckGo is kind of browser. Unlike Google, it won't trace you. You can download and use it from Google Play Store. The ROM does has open camera as inbuilt camera application. If you want, you can also install Gcam. Since there is no Play Store or other Google services, you need to use third party app stores to download and handle applications. I did manage to install PUBG in this ROM, but couldn't make it run since PUBG needs Google Play services in background. I was getting error while setting up permissions all the times, but you will be able to play games like Temple Run, means games which is not needed Google Play services. In other words, maybe offline games. Yes, the ROM does got the source from latest Lineage OS 18.1 and uses the same kernel as well. So you will be able to get update via OTA. There is no Play Protect certification. Also, no safety net passes for this ROM. So yeah, a ROM which is totally degoogled. Wait, is that even correct? Maybe. And no bagging applications. Not much of gaming. The question here is who is going to use this ROM for Poco F1, which is known for gaming. But yeah, if you want to try out this ROM, link is in the description. So thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you like my video. That's all for today. We'll see you next time.